I wanted to share a conversation that I had with a client this weekend, and this is really the value of one, taking data. If you are going for a goal right now, fat loss, building muscle, whatever it is that you are trying to do, if you have a fitness goal and you are not taking data, and taking data over the long haul, not just stepping on the scale on January 1st and then again in March. That's not taking data. That's just randomly, I don't know, messing up your brain. But instead, if you are properly taking data, why that is so useful. But also the other thing is having a coach there to guide you and be a second set of eyes for you. So this particular client is in a fat loss phase right now. She's in a 12-week fat loss phase. I mapped out her year for her, and so right now that is what we are focused on. So I set up a calorie deficit for her. We're targeting a certain amount of steps. She's tracking her food. We are collecting scale weight data along with other things like photos and measurements along the way. Well, we have in our community Facebook group, coaching group, we have like a daily thread where we share meal ideas and just chat about macros and that kind of thing. And she posted this message. So you can see I responded and said, hey, send me over your data. It wasn't time for our official monthly check-in yet, but I was like, send me your data now, because I could feel the frustration, in her voice, see it on the screen. It's like, send me your data now so that I can look over it and maybe we can kind of see what's happening here. This is the value of having a coach, having a second set of eyes. This is why even if you know what you are doing, even if you know a calorie deficit works, even if you know you should be getting in steps, having a coach to guide you and be a second set of eyes is one of the most valuable things you can invest in on this journey. So she did just that. She sent me over a screenshot of her happy scale, which is right here. To which I responded, oh my goodness, this is clearly a great deficit. She is right now losing about 0.4 pounds of fat on average per week. So she was like, I would actually like to see that increased. I would like to lose more on average per week. Well, that is why we take data, is because now we talk through this weekend a game plan of how we can increase her rate of loss. 0.4 pounds per week is amazing in fat loss. That is a very good sustainable rate of loss for fat loss. But since she's taking data, we know exactly how many calories she's eating. We know a game plan as to what we can do and manipulate those calories or manipulate her output, which would be something like steps. And so we talk through this weekend what we're going to do next in order to increase her rate of loss. Again, this is the value of taking data. This is why I have all my clients take data. This is why we look at the data together. We review things. I educate clients on what kind of data to take and how to interpret that data, because I don't just want it to be me over here looking at this data. I want you to understand what you're doing, why you are doing it. And then you have a coach, myself, who comes alongside, who's a second set of eyes and can guide you along and talk you through that data, how to use it, how to interpret it, where we go from here to achieve your goals. So I wanted to share that. I thought that was really cool this weekend. It's just another example of why data is so important. And honestly, even why having a coach, toot my own horn, is really valuable on this journey. And why doing it DIY is not always the best option. You get out of your own head when you have a coach. You have a second set of eyes to look over everything and the reassurance that what you're doing is the right